Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something special from C&Rsenal. Feel free to check them out. They have a large set of videos online on various platforms. C&Rsenal. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. So what this is the campaign shirts for the 2023 holiday season. So as part of fundraising going into the next year of 2024, these were the shirt offerings. So I've gone ahead and actually started to open the bag for time. Let's complete the opening cut there and pull out the contents. Okay, so that's just part of the bag there. And let's see here. Looks like we got a little bit of something extra, and you can see how everything is all bundled together. So let's start with the first one. So what we have here looks like a return to the E pluribus unum pattern. So here we can see 3 items, E pluribus unum, and a new color set, blue shirt and white and red to complete the colors. If we look on the sleeves, you can see here the C&Rsenal logo and print, and the other sleeve is plain. So continuing, next up we have equal, and we can see there it's kind of in the very large 3-dimensional style of text. And we can see here, I believe, Sam Colt. On this side here, you can see a different C&Rsenal logo. Continuing, we have the large format C&Rsenal logo. On this sleeve, if I get open here, it's folded pretty tight. We have Othnius and May in icon form. So our 2 presenters there. Continuing, we have Martini Henry's singles only. It's kind of folded in. And then we have an address there, 450 Boxer Way, Birmingham for England. And here, this is kind of a play on words, kind of a pun style joke. And here we have Imperial Mon, Japanese item. Oh, stepping back, the C&Rsenal logo for the Martini, you can see there, also different. Continuing again back with this one, the sleeve on this one has a kind of a crest sun logo, and C&R Sama, if you notice that. Very colorful as well. Continuing, they had a lot of offerings this time. This one we're going to have to pull out. This is the last one actually in the pile. So this one is I Pledge Allegiance to John Moses Browning's, and then depending on how you would read the text, back-to-back World War champion, because they don't make a 46. They did make a 455. That's too hard to reload. So again, kind of another clever shirt design there. And the sleeve on this one, a different C&Rsenal logo format. So taking a quick look at the 2023 campaign shirts from C&Rsenal. Help fund the 2024 season. So we'll drop some links in the description. Feel free to check them out. And before we go, let's see if I can get this open. Little plastic envelope. It looks like we have some stickers. So hopefully they line up with our themes here. Let's take a look at those. Oh, cute. So again, taking a quick look at the fundraising items from C&Rsenal 2023. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milk-served tools, and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.